Hi and welcome. My name is Tolan and I'm the co-founder of Productivity Me. In this video, we're going to look at using the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl Shift right arrow, which will allow you to select one word or one group of characters at a time, moving from your left to your right, essentially moving in the rightwards direction. So with that, let's get started. All right, so we have this really awesome example, which we used in the last video. And in our last video, we looked at using both Control right arrow, Control left arrow in order to move from either the left to the right, meaning rightwards, or from the right to the left, meaning leftwards. Now, if we actually want to select the text, rather than just press Control right arrow, we could press Control Shift right arrow. Pressing Control Shift right arrow will select all of the characters in the spaces between you and the next set of characters. So if we start at international and we press Control Shift right arrow, it's going to select not only international, but all of the spaces between international and this double or triple ellipse, whatever, the 5-period group. Now if we press and hold Control Shift right arrow a second time, it's going to select these 5 periods and all the spaces between these 5 periods in bestseller. So Control Shift right arrow. Now, if we press Control Shift right arrow a third time, now it's going to select not only bestseller, but these 20 spaces between bestseller and book. So press Control Shift right arrow and it selects those. Now, I'll just mention that once you have a selection made, you can let go of the Control key and the Shift key, as well as the right arrow, and it's going to have that selection made. When you want to increase or change that selection, of course, you would have to hit other keys, such as Control Shift right arrow would extend it to the next group of characters. If we wanted to deselect individual groups of characters, we can press Control Shift left arrow. The reason it would deselect it is because we started here and we moved right by pressing Control Shift right arrow. So thus, if we want to deselect a group of characters, we would press Control Shift and the arrow of the opposite direction. In this case, it would be Control Shift left arrow. However, in our next video, we'll discuss using Control Shift left arrow and then Control Shift right arrow. So if that's interesting to you, please join us for that in the next video. Thanks for watching.